Key pressing is a simple 1 minute game. When the go command appears, you have seconds to hit the spacebar as quickly as possible, as many times as you can. This straightforward task is measuring your processing speed, reaction time, focus, and your ability to follow instructions under pressure. The game has a couple of twists. Firstly, it starts by asking you to identify your dominant hand. This provides no benefit but could send you down a rabbit hole as you try to understand why they're asking this, distracting you and taking your attention away from the task at hand. The second is the countdown. You are told to expect a countdown which will never appear. Instead, you'll simply see the command go. This is to measure your adaptability and reaction time when surprises arise. While simple, this game is measuring four things: task completion time, how many times you press the spacebar. This tells us your speed and coordination abilities, or neurological motoric skills, which are great indicators for roles such as typing, data entry, or even competitive sports, where control over your body dramatically influences your productivity. The second is initial response time, how quickly you started pressing upon seeing the go command. This reflects your response time and focus and indirectly measures your ability to respond to instructions. These are vital skills in a fast paced environment such as air traffic control, emergency response, and financial trading, where seconds have enormous impact on your chances of success. The next is presses before the task. Whilst pressing the spacebar before seeing the go command could show your eagerness and excitement, it can also be showing your inability to follow rules. Your eagerness can be a benefit for forward thinking roles like strategic planning, but could also show that you can't follow precise instructions, which are crucial in roles like coding or the legal sector. The last is presses after the task. How many times did you press the spacebar after the task ended? This demonstrates difficulty in stopping motor actions or processing new instructions in real time. It also indicates a lack of adaptability and impulse control, which is problematic in the workplace, especially for jobs that require precise control, such as lab work or quality assurance. Moving over to tips and strategies. The first is remembering the twists. Knowing the question on hand dominance is irrelevant and that there is no countdown already helps you prepare and not waste energy or attention. The second is remembering what they are measuring. Pressing the spacebar as many times as possible is important, but it's not worth ignoring the instructions and pressing before the go command or after the task ends. The third is connecting your strategy to your desired job. If you want a forward thinking role, it's okay to press the spacebar a little before the go command. But if following the rules is important, prioritize following the instructions to the letter. And the last tip is practice. The more you practice the game, the more comfortable you will be with it. Staying calm under pressure shows a lot of benefits about you, making you a desired candidate for any role.